So you guys ready to go play Tetris?
What? Tetris?
I'm showing my age, aren't I?
What does Tetris mean?
Tetris is where we try to fit all of the suitcases into the back of the Yukon.
Yeah! No.
Sweet, we got everything. We're only one thing missing.
Cowboy.
And there he is. There you go. Good boy. There you go. See you, cowboy. It'll be about 2 hours. You can hide in there, okay?
It's 3 hours.
Oh, 3 hours. Sorry. We'll give you a break. Taino, you guys excited to go to the Dominican Republic?
Yeah!
Yeah! Welcome to the Backcountry Bonds YouTube channel. For the next week, we'll be in the Dominican Republic, playing on the beaches, swinging on jungle swings, exploring island history, jumping down waterfalls, and eating good food. Come along for the ride. Welcome to the Dominican Republic. We're headed down to the beach. Well, it's kind of cool. There's an entrance right here. So it's a public entrance down to the beach. You just walk down these stairs and there's the beach. So I actually got a boat ramp right down there.
Can we come here tomorrow, Dad?
Sure. So this is actually the boat ramp right here. They need some help. Here, Keegan.
Carry him along.
Do I help?
Want help?
Push that. You want to film this?
Oh.
Keegan, let's help.
Okay.
Bam, vamos para atrás. Güey, espérate. Güey, ya, no te agarrar y no, ya vamos un poquito vos.
Tail, tail.
Vamos, una, dos, tres.
It's almost out there.
La propina me la gano yo. Vamos a ir a la vuelta, ¿verdad? Oh, hey.
Sit down and play in the sand, Mommy. Well, we were going to keep walking, but it's awesome to help people.
And that's how you launch a boat at the Dominican Republic.
I got wet.
Hey, Teo, what happened?
I get salt water in my mouth.
He got salt water in his mouth. And he's back at it. I think he'll be okay.
It's been a couple of years since my kids had been to the beach, so we stayed until it got dark and played in the sand and the waves. Memories like this one make me grateful to be a father. Spending time with our kids and helping them grow, and watching them taste nasty salt water for the first time, is what it means to be truly living life. The next day we went for a drive in the mountains. We ended up stopping for lunch at a really cool restaurant that was located on a ridge line. It had a swing that we took full advantage of and an absolutely beautiful view.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Cool.
What are you doing, Teo?
Swinging.
Did you find the swing? Is it pretty fun? There you go, Mommy.
Hi.
Is this fun?
Yes. Very fun.
What do you think of this swing here?
The whole place is amazing.
Look at these flowers. Isn't that cool? They're growing right out of those old stumps.
Dang.
And look at this here. Bananas. They're starting to grow right there. Isn't that cool?
Oh.
Yeah, these are banana trees. And you got one right up there too. Fresh bananas. Talk about fresh. Go from the tree to the kitchen, to the table. How's the food, Riker? Is that good? Let's see yours, Teo. What'd you get? Get some chicken nuggets?
After lunch, we drove to 27 Waterfalls of Damajuagua. Unfortunately, you had to be at least 8 years old to go on the full hike. Since Teo was only 6 and we couldn't leave him by himself, we chose to go on the shorter hike with only 3 waterfalls.
Here's the first waterfall. It's actually a pool. Pretty cool. The water's a little cold. You got it? There you go. Hey, climb up.
I lost one of my shoes. Here it is.
It'll float. Here, hold on to me. Hold on to me. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there you go.
The ground. I can barely do it. I can't even touch the ground.
Can you touch the ground?
No, not at all.
No.
Guys, move out of the way.
What?
Hi, Zyla. So look, you got some people sliding down up there.
Try to walk with your feet. Yeah, come this way.
Okay, Theo, use your arm. Paddle with your arm.
Gotta give me your hand.
All right, keep going. There you go, Zyla. We've got the current pushing against us. And so it's hard to swim against the current into this little cave. Hi, Zyla.
Hi.
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Hey, this one's slowly. Oh, my God. Going. On the middle. 1, 2, 3. Go. Got it. Jump out. 2 seconds. Yeah, right there. Now, on the middle. Right there. 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Go. Jump. Jump.
Rewind. Let's hear that again.
No, ya está aquí. No equivoco. Dale, Rubio.
Yeah, don't do it.
Do it.
Hey, Jenny, wait there for Teo. Oh. Yeah, good job. Lay down, Zayla. Jenny, que fuiste. Woo! Here comes the guide. Cannonball.
After we left 27 Waterfalls of Damajuagua, we started driving back to our apartment and we saw several fruit stands along the road. Jenny had never tasted fresh coconut juice, so we stopped at one of the fruit stands and bought a coconut, some mangoes, bananas, and sugar cane. It was really cheap. In total, we spent about $5. Totally worth it.
Here's got this little store just right up here on the side of the road. We're gonna get some fruit here from them. Got some pretty good fresh fruit. Okay, she's gonna cut this coconut for us with a machete.
Tell me to be proud of her fingernails while she's doing it.
Oh wow.
That was awesome. Did you see that?
Yeah. Nice. Taking the top off there. There you go.
Ooh, gracias.
There you go, Jenny.
Salud.
How was it, Keegan?
It tastes good.
What do you think, Zyla?
It's not like anything I've ever had.
So good.
It was really good?
Eat this?
Yeah. Hey, let Mom try it.
That is so good. They've got to try.
Okay.
It's so delicious.
Okay, Mommy.
I'm so to try that.
That was really good.
That's a chicken.
She's cutting up sugar cane.
It's a fat chicken.
Violet.
That coconut was amazing.
Is that good?
I didn't really like it. Daddy, start a flavor. This is probably common. I'm holding it after Haiku. It's so cute.
What you got there, Keegan?
It's a froggy.
Can I hold it? Mom, can I hold it?
No, I'm holding it.
Mom caught it.
Who got it?
I spotted it.
Me and Sal spotted it.
I
Mom
spotted
caught
it and then Mom caught it.
Oh, cool.
We were running around.
It just
Oh, take it outside.
The next morning.
A beautiful morning. So right outside of our apartment, we have this pool right here.
Not that it is.
It's not quite ready. You can see there's still some stuff in it. You got this shallow pool. Looks like it's just for wading, and obviously that's not ready yet either. There's a moat that goes around this whole place. This is pretty cool.
Yep.
See the moat? It's kind of dirty. They still got a lot of work to do on this place.
You can see the beginnings of a building. Let's see here, they've got a new building going up. Got the rebar going up on the corners. They've got concrete block. They've got the concrete slab. They call that in gray. A lot of the stuff is done by hand. What are these, Zyla?
Pieces of concrete with nails sticking out.
Concrete with nails sticking out. Yeah, that's... Yeah. What do you think it's used for?
I don't know.
Nice little complex they've got here that they're still working on. It's gonna be a while though. There's a whole bunch of white birds up in those trees. I don't know what they're called. Oh look, there's some of them hanging upside down in those nests.
That's a lot.
Wow. Yeah, you can see there's nests right there. You see the little yellow birds flying up underneath. And then you got the big white ones sitting up on top.
There's a lot of white ones.
There's just a ton of birds in here. It's really pretty.
2 hours later.
So we just drove off the side of the road here. We are going to stop at Taino Valley Tropical Park. Those trees are huge. Those are ficus trees. Diosa Luna. That's the moon god for the Tainos. Oh, we've got another Taino god here. The size of these trees are they're huge. Hard to get a scale of them.
This is so pretty. Pretty.
Is that pretty?
Yep. It's pretty.
So what'd you call
Helicopter flowers.
I don't know what they are.
them? They spin like a helicopter. That's cool. You got the leaves that are flat and then the flower goes straight up. We got a little greenhouse here. These are house plants in our climate. Look at the size of this fruit. That's huge. It's like a bowling ball. It's like a watermelon.
Only it's not.
Just don't stand under it when it falls. So this is the aviary. It doesn't have a whole lot in it. It's got some ducks, a few other birds. That's about it. Waddle, waddle. Hey guys, look at this.
It's a bunch of
reminds
beaches.
There's a ton of them.
That reminds me,
I think those were the ones I saw earlier across the lake.
Look how many she had all at once.
I can't go fishing. There's no fishing signs. That is so cool. I got vines growing up those trees. Just the vines. Look at that. And growing on the trees.
You know?
There's another Taino god.
They don't have pants on.
They don't have pants on. Dios Sol, sun god. It looks like a sun.
The next morning.
Good morning. We just showed up here to Playa Encuentro. We're going to do some little fishing, exploring the beach, see what we can find. This whole little town here is based upon windsurfing. So they've got some of the best surfing in the world here. It's awesome. It's kind of a mixture of like volcanic rock and sand all along the shoreline. This is kind of sad. You do see a lot of garbage, a lot of trash here. They don't have a real good trash disposal system, so a lot of people will just throw it on the ground. It washes into the ocean. The ocean washes it up onto the beaches. It is really, really windy today, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Hey Zyla, what's wrong? Uh-oh. Ear hurts. I just spoke with the guy over there. He's doing yoga underneath the palm tree. Says he comes here every morning, does his stretching and exercise, just enjoys the beautiful view. He tried fishing, but he didn't have much luck. But yeah, what a great place. The little tiny crab. He's just a little teeny tiny guy right here. Boop, boop. There he goes. You can see off in the distance, right out there, was a cruise ship. They're probably heading into Puerto Plata. There's a port over there where they have a whole lot of them.
2 hours later.
Eso es demasiado. ¿Para una persona o?
Para ti.
Oh, eso es demasiado para mí.
Ah, that's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Chicken.
We're getting some chicken and rice here.
Yeah.
¿Y cómo se llama usted?
Domingo.
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 This is my friend Domingo.
Yeah, very good friend.
He's
No, really my friend. Good friend. What do you want?
Did you hear what he said? He said he wants to give you a job. Do you want to work here with him?
I pay very good. Very good job. I pay you. You want to stay here with me? You can sell the cheese.
You can sell the cheese.
We're not gonna make you work.
You're not gonna be hungry.
So if you look out here, here's the main road. There's a water truck that keeps going up and down. A lot of people here don't have running water, and so they buy their water from water trucks as they drive by, and they store it in containers, like garbage cans. There's the water truck.
The next morning.
Good morning. It's our last morning here. Unfortunately, we have to go back to the States today where it's likely snowing and cold at our place. We just have a few things left to do. We need to pack up, clean up a little bit, and then get going to the airport. But we have certainly enjoyed our week here. It is beautiful. I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful, cool morning.
I hope you enjoyed our video. If you'd like to watch more videos from Backcountry Bond's YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified about our next adventure. Thanks for watching.